All right, number 2, we have another rational expression. We have 16 over y plus 4 plus 4 divided by y equals 16 y minus 4 over y squared minus 16. All right, in this case, I'm going to factor out this denominator so we can find the least common denominator. This is a difference of squares that will give you y plus 4 times y minus 4. And our least common denominator will consist of y plus and minus 4, and then an additional y being tacked on. So I'm going to multiply both sides times that. So my LCD is y times y plus 4 and y minus 4. So I'm going to multiply this times both sides. I'm just going to put the whole expression in parentheses. So 16 over y plus 4 plus 4 over y equals, I'm going to go ahead and factor this out too. I'm going to write this as 4. So factor out a 4, and that will leave us with 4y, not sure if this is going to change anything, 4y minus 1, and then over y plus 4, y minus 4. Okay, so multiplying least common denominator times this term, the x plus 4 will cancel. I'll be left with y minus 4, and 16. Okay, so we'll have y times y minus 4 times 16. And then plus, the y will just cancel out, so I have 4 times y plus 4, y minus 4. And then equals, when I multiply this expression times here, the y plus 4, y minus 4 will cancel, leaving us with y times this numerator. So nothing's going to cancel out. I was wondering with the factoring part if something will cancel out. So I'm just going to put this back as 16y minus 4 times y. So we're going to do y times 16y minus 4. Okay. So now that we have multiplied by common denominator, we're going to simplify combine like terms and solve. So this is going to give us y squared minus 4y. And we'll multiply the 16 on the way back. Let's go ahead and do a difference of squares here. So we have plus 4 times y squared minus 16. And then this equals, actually I should be putting this in parentheses. This is going to be distributed. The y is going to be distributed through this problem. So this is going to be 16y squared minus 4y. All right, now we're going to distribute the last term. So we'll have 16y squared minus 16 times 4 will give us 64y. And then plus 4y squared minus 64 equals 16y squared minus 4y. Okay, like terms, we have 16y squared and 4y squared. That would give us 20y squared. And then minus 64y, and then minus 64. And then equals 16y squared minus 4y. All right, we're going to subtract 16, move everything to one side, set equal to 0. Subtract 16y squared, add 4y, do the opposite sign. So plus 4y, and then minus 16y squared. leaves us with 4y squared minus 60y minus 64. All right, so this is quadratic now. We're going to solve it by factoring. I'm going to first distribute or factor out of 4 to make this smaller. So 4, this will be y squared minus 15y minus 16. All right, factors of 16, because 1 times 16, that will give us 15 when we subtract would be 1 times 16. This is the first one. So factoring this, 1 and 16, first sign a bigger number, so negative 16, their signs are different, so plus, and then if we set these terms equal to 0, so when we set these equal to 0, 4, well, you divide by 4, so that 4 would not be a factor, but the y plus 1 equals 0, and the y minus 16 equals 0. That will give us y equals negative 1. This will give us y equals 16. So we get two solutions, negative 1 and 16.